Good morning everyone. How are you all doing? Hope you all had good lessons this morning. Okay, let's start with our maths activity book 1B. As you can see on the board, I have already mentioned the page number. So activity book page number 49 and activity book page number 50 we will be doing in the class as classwork, and 51 is for homework, but I will share the reference key for the classwork as well as homework. Alright, today as you can see in your book, today's topic is on subtraction, that is minus, that is take away. Okay, so one more thing before I start the lesson, I would like to inform you that from now on we will be looking at your work for grading. So make sure your work is done neatly and it's been submitted on time, yeah? So work neatness also carries lots of grades. So please make sure you all are doing your working properly. There is the sign, whether it's an addition or subtraction, and there is an arrow on your right hand side. What is the point of doing work which is not completed, which is not full? Yeah, for example, if you make a table, make sure you see that numbers are written in its place, sign, the symbol has been given whether you're doing addition or subtraction, then the arrow has been there. So there are some children who are doing the work, but it is just not acceptable, very untidy work. Okay, so please, I'm requesting you, make sure put in effort. Now it's the time for grading, so please, whatever is your corrections to be done and whichever I have asked you to do it, please do and submit. Yeah, okay, let's start our lesson with subtraction. It says 37 minus 23. Okay, as you can see here, I have already made the tens and ones table. 37 is 3 tens and 7 ones minus 2 tens and 3 ones. Your first step would be to draw an arrow on your right hand side. 7 in your brain, 3 on your fingers. We backward count because this is subtraction. So from 7, 6, 5, 4. So this is 4. 3 in your brain, 2 on your fingers. Backward count 2, 1. So your answer is 14. So you have first sum answer, the solution is 14. Let's look at the second one. 28 minus 14. 2 tens and 8 ones minus 1 tens and 4 ones. Right hand side, draw an arrow. 8 in your brain, 4 on your fingers, backward count, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now, 2 in your brain, 1 on your finger, backward count, 1. So, again, your second answer here is also 14. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. They are different numbers. Only the difference of these two numbers is 14. Okay. Now look at letter C. 76 minus 50. So 7 tens, 6 ones minus 5 tens, 0 ones. Arrow on your right hand side. 6 at the bottom. 7 in your brain, 5 on your fingers. Backward count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 26. Okay. Now, next one, the last sum for this page is 67 minus 12. 6 tens, 7 ones minus 1 ten and 2 ones. Arrow on your right hand side. 7 in your brain, 2 on your fingers. Backward count. 6, 5. 6 in your brain, 1 on your finger. 1 step back from 6 is 5. So the last answer for this page is 55. Okay, now let's go to our page number 50. Alright? Here also you have subtraction sums, but you have 6 sums on this page. They have drawn the 10, they have drawn, given you the table, but if you notice carefully, the table they have not written like 10s and 1s, they have not separated it. So you got to learn to write this way without the help of the table, okay? Like when we learn cycling, we learn cycling with the training wheels at the sides, yeah, so that you can learn to balance. Then once you are used to it, mommy and daddy removes the training, yes, the training wheels. So what happens when you learn to ride all by yourself without any training wheels? You are able to balance. The same way in math also, we teach every step, where, which column, what it goes. Now I feel that you all are getting used to it. Now you understand how is a table written. So just for your this one, for your ease, I will just write 10s and 1. You don't have to write. I'm just showing you that 3 10s and 5 1s minus 1 10s and 1 1s. Okay, it looks like this. So you have to just draw an arrow, 5 in your brain, 1 on your finger. Look at the symbol minus, that means backward count. Before 5 is 4. So your answer here is 4. 3 in your brain, 1 on your finger. Backward count 2. 1 step and your backward count is 2. So your answer is 24. Okay. Next. So you have to write here as well as here. But now here in letter B, where it says 26 minus 23, I am not going to draw the table. I want you to get used to doing in this way. So 26, 2 10s, 6 1s minus 2 10s, 3 1s. Now arrow. 6 in your brain, 3 on your fingers, backward count, 5, 4, 3. Now 2 minus 2, 2 in your brain, 2 on your fingers, backward count, 2 in your brain, 2 on your fingers, 1 and 0. So when you have 2 sweets, you eat with both the sweets, you are left with nothing, 0. So here, the answer, you have to write only number 3, not 0, 3. Okay, now let us see 37 minus 30. Okay, 3 10s, 7 1s minus 3 10s, 0 1s, arrow. 0 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 3 is again 0. So your answer here is single number 7. Now, letter D, 68 minus 34. 6 10s, 8 1s minus 3 10s and 4 1s. Arrow, 8 in your brain, 4 on your fingers, backward count, 7, 6, 5, 4. 6 in your brain, 3 on your fingers, 5, 4, 3. So your answer here is 34. Okay. Now, the last 2 sums, they have not given you the numbers in the table. You have to write. What will you write? 7 10s and 7 1s. Next line, minus 5 10s. Make sure when you're writing the numbers, they are right below each other in the same line. 5 10s and 6 1s. So when you minus 6 out of 7, hold up 6 fingers. Backward count, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 6 minus 7 is 1. 7 in your brain, 5 on your fingers. Backward count, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 21. Same thing goes to the letter F. 8 10s, 9 1s minus 4 10s and 7 1s. 9 in your brain, 7 fingers. Backward count, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And 8 in your brain, 4 on your fingers, backward count, 7, 6, 5, 4. So your answer is 42. This is how you have to do your sums. Then for page number 51, it says add or subtract. So they have mixed up addition and subtraction sums. You have to draw tables neatly and see and put the symbols what you're doing with the add or subtract. Okay, I want you to finish this work, alright, neatly. Please, as I mentioned to you, it's grading time. Make sure your work has been done neatly and submitted on time. Bye for now.